Hi, in front of me is GIGASET GX290 and today I want to show you how you can change your keyboard's theme. Go into Settings, scroll all the way down and choose System. Now languages and input, virtual keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case it's Gboard. Over here pick Themes and My Themes. Pick one of the pictures, for example this one, pinch to scale or drag to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust the brightness and tap Done. Lastly, click Apply. As you can see, my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!